We'll guide you through how to change your Steam account password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to change your Steam password, we're going to guide you through how this can be done, or perhaps you just want to go and change it for security reasons. Come into the Steam app as we currently are. You could also do this on the Steam site as well, by the way. Press your profile in the top right where it says manage account. You want to go down and find account details, so not very far really. Come over to the left and find the option for security and devices. In here, you then want to come down and you'll see Steam account and you'll see the option change password. What you can then do is go and press change password. You can then go and verify yourself. So you can go and text a code to your number. If you don't have access to it, you can click that there. And you could go and use the email. If you don't have the email, press that there. I have the email, so I'll enter the code. Now you can go and change your password. Enter in a new one and we'll then need to go and confirm it. Press change password like so, and we can then go and sign back in with the password.